Hey guys, Richard here, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the ad quality score and getting to that top three spot on Google Shopping, right? And I say top three to give a little leeway space, but really it should be top two. And I'll show you guys why in a little bit. But I started this PowerPoint with a question, right? So, what is your main goal when setting up your ads? Right? So think about that for a second. What's your main goal when you're setting up your ads? So if you're like me, your main goal is to make money. I think that's everyone's main goal, right? We all want to make money with this. So how do we make money with Google Shopping? Okay? The first step to making money with Google Shopping is getting your ad to rank in the top three, even really top two. I'm saying top three again to give you a little bit of wiggle space. Sometimes you can get away with top three, but really we want to rank top two. And here, let me show you why. So this was me on my cell phone. I searched up fidget cube on Google Shopping, and this is what came up. Notice how we're only seeing the top two products here. Okay? This is why we want to rank. I mean, we see a little bit of the third, but we don't even know the price. I mean, there's a one that's probably like 1 point something, but for all we know, it can be 100. And if you're a customer, I mean, I'm looking here and I'm definitely going to click on Walmart, right? So notice how they have the cheapest price. They're ranked number one. So they're probably getting the most traffic, hence the most sales. So this is why you want to rank top three. Um, Better yet, rank top two. And the reason why I put a mobile picture because, okay, so I mean, let's be clear here. So when you're searching this up on the desktop, even if you're top six, you're gonna get shown. But I only put a mobile picture because mobile traffic is king right now in ecom, right? So I would say 85 through 90% of your purchases will be through mobile. And I mean, this is a hard stat, guys. I'm not gonna go into this too much I don't want to waste your time, right? In this lesson going into just random topics like that, but it's true. 85% through 90% of your purchases will come from mobile, so that it's really, really, really crucial to be top two. And again, you can get away with top three if you're on an iPad or a bigger phone. I know now people are using huge phones, so you can even get away with top three. But anyways, let's continue here. Okay, so how do you make it to top three? So it begins with your ad quality score, right? So this is kind of where everything is going to start coming together. So in the last video, we talked about the title and the description. So these are two of the main things that make up your quality score on your ad. So you want to have a good title and a good description, which by now you hopefully know because of the last video. The third thing here is the product category that you're going to select in Google, which this we'll go over in a little bit. This is actually really simple, not complicated at all. You guys will learn about this in the next video actually. So let's continue here. And then the last thing is the click-through rate. In my opinion, this is the most important one. You want to have greater than a 1% click-through rate because the more that your ad is getting clicked, Google rewards you, right? So if your ad is getting clicked a lot, it means that the shoppers are interested in your product, and when Google sees that, they're gonna rank you better. So how do you get that greater than 1% click-through rate? Easy. You have to have a competitive price, which I taught you guys already in I think it was in the last module, in the product research module, right? And you want to have a good picture. So I mean, it's pretty simple, guys. To get a high click-through rate, you want to have a good price, competitive price, and a nice looking picture, right? So if you have a good title, a good description, you select the correct product category, which is which is actually really simple to do, and you have a greater than one, really, I say greater than 1%, but you want to be around 1.9 through 2.1%. That right there, you're perfect. If you're anything above a 2%, you're golden. You're gonna be top three, even top two for sure, with a 2% click-through rate. But yeah, if you have all of these, then you're gonna have a good quality score. So let's go on here to the next slide. Okay, so besides the quality score that you have here, you also have to have a good bid, right? A competitive bid. This is pretty self-explanatory. You want to have, I mean, if you're bidding on a, let's say you have a $20 item, you can't be bidding 5 cents per click, right? It's not gonna work. You can have a great title, great description, a freaking 4% click. Well, it's like you wouldn't even have the 4% click-through rate because you wouldn't be bidding anything. You could have a good product category, but if your bid isn't competitive, your ad isn't going to be shown, right? Also, you don't want to have an extremely high bid either. So you don't want to put your bid at $10 or $15 because I mean we're not in the business of donating money here. We're trying to make money, right? So what I usually start with is $1 through $2, and I usually test it around there. But I mean, we'll get more into the technicality of that when we go into creating your campaign. You guys will see exactly how I set my bid. But yeah, I mean, your bid needs to be competitive, is the basic point that I'm trying to get across here. So, how to determine your ad rank, right? So where your ad ranks. So we're trying to rank top three. So I mean, the really basic formula is your quality score plus your bid will give you your ad rank. So as long as you have a good quality score, which again, um, a good quality score is here, the title, description, product category, and click-through rate. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm repeating myself, but this is extremely important. So as long as you have a good quality score and a good bid, right? A competitive bid, you're gonna have a good ad rank. And guys, I mean, it's simple. The higher the ad rank, the higher the profits. So just to recap really quick one more time, because this is probably one of the most important videos in this whole freaking course, okay? So pay attention to this video. So again, your main goal is to get top two, right? Top two, top three in Google Shopping. How do you get that? You get the quality score. How do you get the quality score? You get a good title and a good description, which we learned in the last video. You have to match the product category, right, with Google, which I will teach you guys out in the next video. You need a good click-through rate, right? And you manage your click-through rate with the price and the picture. So if you see that your click-through rate is low, then try to adjust your price, maybe go a little bit lower, or maybe you could even change your picture, right? You need a competitive bid. You don't want to bid too high because we're not donating money here, but we don't want to bid too low. We're not bidding 5, 10 cents on a click. We're bidding $1 through $2 on a click, right? And the basic formula again is that your quality score plus your bid will give you the ad rank. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you didn't understand something in this video, then please go back and watch it because you guys need this. You guys need to know this information for the upcoming videos, and I will probably be referencing this video in later videos. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.